Moving a barbecue grill to your new home? Before you load it into the truck, make sure it's properly prepared. A few simple steps can prevent damage, grease spills, and serious safety issues. Start by letting the grill cool completely, then clean out grease, food residue, ash, and debris. Remove or secure loose parts like grates, warming racks, grease trays, shelves, and rotisserie pieces. Next, disconnect the fuel source. For a propane grill, close the valve and remove the propane cylinder. Never transport the cylinder while it's still attached to the grill. For a charcoal grill, remove all charcoal and ash once everything is completely cool. For a pellet grill, unplug it, empty the pellet hopper, and clean out remaining grease and ash. When transporting the grill, keep it upright whenever possible. Laying it on its side can cause burners, grates, grease trays, or other parts to shift and become damaged. Protect the grill with moving blankets or furniture pads and use straps to secure it inside the truck or pickup. Attach the straps to sturdy parts of the frame, mount the lid, knobs, handles, or side shelves. And if you're transporting a propane cylinder separately, keep it upright, secured, well ventilated, and away from heat, sparks, or flames. Never leave it inside a hot vehicle. If you're hiring professional movers, ask in advance whether they will transport the grill and whether propane cylinders are prohibited. Many movers will take the grill itself once it's cleaned and disconnected, but may refuse the propane cylinder. The safest approach is simple. Clean it, disconnect it, secure it, protect it, and keep it upright. Want more expert moving tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our moving guides and relocation tips.